Weight shift control 12 one-night operations. Flying at night introduces a whole new set of challenges, and it's crucial for pilots to be well prepared. Night flying in weight shift control aircraft should only be done with some visual reference to the ground, like city lights or a full moon. Flying without a consistent visual reference can lead to disorientation and loss of control, possibly resulting in an accident. While new weight shift control aircraft can be equipped with instruments similar to airplanes for night flying, it's generally not recommended. Night flying requires additional skills and a private pilot certificate. Pilots can have a private pilot certificate with a night flight prohibited limitation if they haven't completed night flight training. This limitation restricts pilots from flying at night, similar to sport pilots. However, pilots can remove this limitation after completing weight shift control private pilot night training, which includes a cross-country flight over 75 nautical miles and 10 takeoffs and landings at an airport. Sport pilots or private pilots with the night limitation can fly after sunset during civil twilight until night if their aircraft is properly equipped with position lights. Civil twilight is the period when the sun is less than 6 degrees below the horizon, about 30 minutes before sunrise or after sunset. It provides enough natural light for activities without additional lighting. However, if visibility is inadequate due to overcast conditions, it's wise not to fly after sunset. Equipment requirements for night flight are specified in 14 CFR Part 91, including position lights. Aircraft should ideally have additional lighting such as anti-collision lights, landing lights, and a reliable electrical source for lights. While standard instruments for instrument flight are valuable for aircraft control at night, they are not mandatory. Aircraft position lights are crucial for night flight, with red on the left wing, green on the right wing, and white on the tail. These lights help pilots determine the direction of other aircraft in flight. Turning on landing lights, as part of the Operation Lights On program, enhances visibility and reduces the risk of collisions and bird strikes. Before embarking on a night flight, pilots should consider personal equipment. Carrying a reliable flashlight with spare batteries is essential. A cell-size flashlight with white and red light options is preferable. Aeronautical charts are vital for night cross-country flights, and pilots should organize their flight deck to ease the workload and enhance safety during nighttime operations. Airport and navigation lighting aids play a crucial role in night flying. Lighted airports away from congested areas are easily identified by the lights outlining runways. However, those near cities can be challenging to spot among other lights, emphasizing the need to know their location and distinctive lighting patterns. Aeronautical lights come in various colors and configurations, serving different purposes. It's advisable for pilots to check the availability and status of lighting systems at the destination airport before a night flight. A rotating beacon indicates an airport's location, with colors distinguishing civilian land, water, and military airports. Red flashes signal obstructions or hazardous areas. Runway lighting systems have evolved to support takeoffs and landings in various weather conditions. For VFR night operations, pilots need to be familiar with basic runway and taxiway lighting. Taxiway edge lighting consists of blue lights outlining usable taxi paths. Understanding night vision is essential for pilots. Human eyes have cones and rods at the retina's back, with cones detecting color and details, while rods operate in low light, detecting movement in shades of gray. Scanning procedures and off-center viewing are more effective at night. The eye's adaptation to darkness takes time, with pupils enlarging to receive more light. After adaptation, the eyes become highly sensitive to low light, improving night vision. Before and during night flights, pilots should allow their eyes to adapt to low light levels, avoiding exposure to bright white light that can cause temporary blindness. Temporary blindness can lead to illusions and misjudgments. Physical condition also affects eyesight, with factors like fatigue, colds, and medication impairing vision. Taking precautions, using oxygen at higher altitudes, and avoiding bright lights can help maintain effective night vision. It's crucial to recognize the potential tricks the brain and eyes can play to ensure safe flying at night. The unique flight characteristics of weight shift control aircraft require pilots to rely on control bar pressure and position for speed determination during normal flight conditions. Proficient pilots can even perform basic pitch control with their eyes closed, relying on the feel of the aircraft, airspeed, and throttle positions for climbs and descents. Unlike traditional aircraft, weight shift control aircraft are not designed to be roll stable, and external factors like engine turning effects or air movement can induce rolls that won't auto-level. A pilot must continuously provide input to maintain a constant heading, even if it involves small corrections. Straight and level flight cannot be sustained for long with eyes closed. To maintain a constant heading or ground track without visual reference, pilots can use instruments like the magnetic compass, global positioning system, GPS, and aircraft heading indicator. An attitude indicator can provide additional instrument reference for weight shift control aircraft. A false horizon may occur when the natural horizon is obscured, leading to confusion between bright stars, city lights, and lights along shorelines. Distant lights can be mistaken for stars or other aircraft, and certain ground light patterns can create confusion. Visual autokinesis, where a fixed light source appears to move, can occur after staring at a light for some seconds. Flickering lights in the flight deck, such as anti-collision lights, can cause flicker vertigo with symptoms like nausea and dizziness. Pilots should eliminate any sources causing blinking or flickering problems. A black hole approach occurs when landing from over water or unlit terrain, making it challenging to orient oneself. Bright runway and approach lighting systems can create illusions of less distance, leading to higher or lower approaches. Careful attention to flight instruments and a thorough review of airfield layouts can help pilots navigate night illusions safely.